God's love. God's love is like having a big warm hug that never goes away. A big warm hug that never lets go. It is with us when everything is going well, cheering us on and making us feel happy. And when things get tough, it is right there, giving us the strength we need to get through it. It is like having a super caring friend who never judges us and always forgives. This kind of love is like a jacket. It is like a cozy blanket that wraps around our hearts, making everything better. Let's take a moment to think about how amazing and kind God's love is in our lives. It is like a special, always there friend who makes everything brighter. Have you experienced a moment where you felt God's love? Please share it in the comments below, or drop a word to describe how you see this incredible love brightening your life. Let's spread the warmth and positivity together. This is God's plan. Bring it on.